Welcome to Smart Technology Equipment Center. The channel specializes in providing the latest information on smart technology, modern equipment, and advanced solutions to improve the quality of life. Whether you are looking for innovation to optimize your home, workplace, or simply want to update the outstanding technological advances, we always accompany you on the journey to explore the future world. Don't forget to click subscribe to not miss any interesting content. Let's build a smarter, more modern life with us.
Today we will explore two vacuum and mop robots, Eureka J15 Pro Ultra and Dreamel 10S Pro Ultra Heat. Let's watch the whole video to see their useful capabilities. Model 1. Eureka J15 Pro Ultra Vacuum and Mop Robot has a self-dumping base, 16,200 Pascal suction power, flex arm mop design, automatic mopping with hot water and hot air drying, anti-tangle, AI obstacle avoidance, black color, up to 75 days of hands-free maintenance. The 8-in-1 functional base automatically empties debris along with automatically refilling water and hot water to wash and dry the mop. The J15 Pro Ultra Mop Pad is washed with 75 degrees Celsius 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot clean water, then dried with 55 degrees Celsius 131 degrees Fahrenheit hot air to reduce mold. With charging and self-cleaning docking station, enjoy hassle-free cleaning. Unbeatable vacuum power removes 99% of waste. Experience 16,200 pascals of powerful suction for deeper cleaning on all types of floors. The Eureka J15 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum's advanced aluminum fan increases motor performance and perfect heat dissipation for deep cleaning of carpets and hard-to-reach crevices. Edge-to-edge cleaning with advanced flexible handle design. The J15's rounded square body and flexible arm design extend the cleaning range to reach every corner and tight spot, vacuuming and mopping closer to the edge, removing stuck-on stains and hidden dirt. Covers floors with a thickness of less than 1.36 millimeters along the edge for precise cleaning. Say goodbye to tangles with FlexEraser anti-tangle technology. J15 Pro Ultra's advanced FlexEraser technology actively cuts hair, operating at 400 cuts per minute, reducing hair tangles by 99%. Keep your robot running at peak performance without worrying about tangles. Detect and clean hidden and caught dirt. J15 Pro Ultra's Smart Dirt Detection feature can accurately detect dry and wet stains. When encountering wet stains, the vacuum cleaner will rotate its body to prioritize cleaning with the mop. And when the robot vacuum cleaner encounters dry debris, it automatically reduces the side brush speed to minimize the spreading of debris and deeply clean all debris. Model 2. Dreamel 10S Pro Ultra Heat Vacuum and Mop. Mop Extend, 7,000 Pascal suction, automatic robot care and maintenance, 136 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop self-cleaning, obstacle avoidance, ideal for hair, carpets. Mop Extend technology for deep edge cleaning. With advanced edge recognition, mop extension and retraction, our robot vacuum cleaner can clean even the toughest debris and dirt from the corners of your home. Easy robot maintenance with 136 degree hot water. Take the burden of household chores off your shoulders with automatic robot care. The robot cleans the mop itself with 136 degree hot water and dries it with hot air. 7,000 pascals powerful suction. Have you ordered a product with outstanding performance? 7,000 pascals powerful suction asterisk quickly adapts from hard floors to carpets, easily handling stubborn stains and debris stuck in nooks and crannies. Rinse, mop, and mop the floor for a thorough clean. Advanced dirt detection technology determines how dirty the mop and floor are, mopping twice for a sparkling clean. Smart obstacle avoidance to accurately map your home. Thanks to intelligent recognition and 3D structured light, our home experts can identify and avoid up to 55 plus types of objects asterisk such as shoes, cables, and more.
If you find the video useful, do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also, follow Smart Technology Equipment Center to wait for other useful smart products on the topic of smart technology. I will leave the product link below the description for those who are interested.